ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఎమర్జింగ్ పొలిటికల్ ట్రెండ్స్ 1977 to 2000 10th class 19th lesson social studies part 3 bits. Farmers of Maharashtra agitated under the leadership of Mahendra Singh Tikayat, Sarath Joshi, Bhindranwale. None. Correct answer Sarath Joshi. Program introduced by Jyoti Basu's government in West Bengal. Operation Blue Star, Operation Barga, Telecom Revolution. None. Correct answer Operation Barga. Babri Masjid was destroyed in the year 1992, 1991, 1994, 1995. Correct answer 1992. Tamil separatist group of Sri Lanka. Maoists, LTTE, Naxalites. None. Correct answer LTTE. This constitutional amendment created local self-governments for towns and cities. 73rd Amendment, 74th Amendment, 75th Amendment, 42nd Amendment. Correct answer 74th Amendment. This BJP leader led Ratha Yatra. LK Advani, Vajpayee, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah. Correct answer LK Advani. Economic liberalization means restriction in foreign import tax, restriction in foreign export tax, no restriction in foreign import tax, no restriction in foreign export tax. Correct answer restriction in foreign import tax. Option A correct. In 1991, Congress government was formed dash as a PM of India. Rajiv Gandhi, PV Narasimha Rao, Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi. Correct answer PV Narasimha Rao. This party seek to build our nation on Hindu religion. Congress, CPI, CPM, BJP. Correct answer BJP. In 1984 elections, BJP won only dash seats. 1 seat, 2 seats, 10 seats, 5 seats. Correct answer 2 seats. He was elected as a speaker of the 6th Lok Sabha unanimously. NT Ramarao, Rajiv Gandhi, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, VP Singh. Correct answer Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Teluguvari Atma Gauravam was the slogan of this party. TDP, TRS, YSR Congress, BJP. Correct answer TDP. Punjab claimed more water from this dam. Bakranangal, Srisailam, Nagarjuna Sagar, Hirakud. Correct answer Bakranangal. The assassination of Indira Gandhi in 1974, 1984, 1994, 1991. Correct answer 1984. In this year, the Supreme Court passed a judgment on a case filed by Shah Banu. 1965, 1975, 1985, 1995. Correct answer 1985. The birthplace of Rama was Ayodhya, Delhi, Varanasi, Bhadrachalam. Correct answer Ayodhya. In this year, L.K. Advani, the leader of BJP, led a Ratha Yatra. 1960s, 1970, 1980, 1990. Correct answer 1990. He negotiated with the International Monetary Fund for loans to tide over the crisis. Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Charan Singh. Correct answer P.V. Narasimha Rao. P.V. Narasimha Rao belonged to the state Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Correct answer Andhra Pradesh. Rajiv Gandhi began a peace initiative in Punjab, Assam and Mizoram and also in the neighboring countries of Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sudan. Correct answer Sri Lanka. Approximately half of the rural households in Dash have received land reforms benefits. Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer West Bengal. The Prime Minister who was assassinated in 1991 in India was Indira Gandhi, Charan Singh, Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. Correct answer Rajiv Gandhi. L.K. Advani's Ratha Yatra is from dash to dash. Somanath to Ayodhya, Somanath to Delhi, Ayodhya to Somanath, Ayodhya to Delhi. Correct answer Somanath to Ayodhya. Jyoti Bas formed government in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Tripura. Correct answer West Bengal. Which of the article is used to impose presidential rule in the state? 336, 346, 356, 366. Correct answer 356 article. Sri Lanka government and the force was finally withdrawn in 1988, 1989, 1990, 1991. Correct answer 1981. Emergency imposed in 1975, 1976, 1984, 1965. Correct answer 1975.